Welcome back again, everybody. What's good? Professor Keith, Carolina Keith, Professor Simp Keith, whatever you want to call me. I'm cool with all that mess. Glad to have you back. Welcome to Crypto After Dark. Hope everyone's had a great week. It's Tuesday. I got new stuff here. Got a new camera. This is the fancy camera with After Effects and stuff on it. So I'm able to change saturation levels and light levels and whatnot. We'll see how it all works out. I have to turn the intro off right here. It's going to be really loud. Sorry. I'll have to do it again. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So, oh, great. I messed something up. Excellent. Oh, no. I fixed it. There we go. I fixed it. Yeah. So glad to see everybody. I've had an interesting weekend. I hope everyone's had a good weekend. It's been pretty wild for me. We got some stuff to talk about tonight. It looks like a lot of things have potentially changed trends and tried to break out and move back around into a more bullish state of mind. But there's some pauses to be had there. Let's see who all's in here first. What's up, my main guy, Andrew, for you. It's late for him. He's not normally up this late. Millennials like him usually go to sleep around 9:30 or 8:30 whenever their bedtime is for kindergartners. What's up, Mullet? Good to see you, brother. He said, what? Done? Did you say done? Nothing is done until we decide it is. What's done is what the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor. Hell no. Pretty good. Ron Poteet, Juan Pablo, what's up? Stifler, what's up? Jeremy Stefano, what's up? Frank, Greg White, what's up, brother? Chris Evers, Big Dex. CryptoFib 2.0, good to see you. What's up, Ignacio, the real Ignacio, the first one. Rick Visler, what's up? Noob, Raging Beagle, that's an angry dog. Pepper, appreciate the sake, brother, or the Japanese whiskey. The shit's tight. Thank you, sir. Tario, good to see you. Leo WG, Big Jeff, what's up? Bill Esch, Brett Walker, Danny Deep Pockets, good to see you, brother. Gabo, what's up? Gabo, Gaglig, what's up? Chris Evers, Simone, what's up, ma'am? Mr. Crypto Hopper, good to see you. Crossover Night. That's it, Crossover Night, sorry. Logvalin, good to see you. Hello, Jenny Chu, what's up from Cali? Heather S., good to see you, ma'am. She's nursing somewhere. Rugnit, what's up, brother? Good to see you from the road. My man's out there slinging hockey gear. What you gonna do about it? Go buy some. Good to see everybody. The mayor, what's up? So if you guys haven't done so yet, please do me a solid, okay? Go hit like and comment if you're here and talk a little bit with us. Go hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Why? Because algorithms from YouTube push us up a little farther each time, and we're getting a little bit more subscribers and a little bit more subscribers, and we're slowly growing here. We haven't hit the big times, and we're likely never to. However, we're doing better and better each time we stream. So, nearly 50 people on here. Let's get on into it, shall we? So, I'm going to work on bouncing back and forth between cameras here. So, whenever I'm talking, I'll just do this. So, I'm talking into the camera and you guys feel more intimate with me. And then when we're charting, we'll go back to this and whatnot, okay? So, right now in total market cap, this is the total market cap, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, for all of crypto, okay? It's quite important to notice this because what we're seeing here is not only did the chart break out of a downtrend line that I had drawn here for everyone to be able to see, okay? Take all the indicators off and it's just strictly a naked chart with one trend line on it. You can see that we had a gnarly downtrend here. And we've broken it now for the first time in a very long time. This goes all the way back to November 10th, middle of November, okay? That's a long time for something to be falling, isn't it? And as you see, I wrote reversal here just for the stream, so everyone will be able to see that. Go ahead and erase that now, since we're talking like men and a couple women. I got the cloud pulled up here on purpose, all right? The cloud is a lagging indicator. Ichimoku cloud, which we have here, lags on purpose. What's up, China Matt? Good to see you, brother. China Matt, the brain, China Matt. China Matt gets all the props. 2 yays. 2 yays. There you go, China, 2 Matt. 2 yays. 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 right? That's for China Matt to be able to gift later. So Ichimoku cloud lags on purpose. We need 4 yeses for a proper cloud yes. Okay, and what are those 4 yeses? Number 1, do we have the baseline over the conversion line? And yes, we do. Barely, but yes, the blue line is over the red line. Good. Secondly, do we have a green cloud on the end? Yes, we do. Barely, but it's green. Okay, good. Next is the lag line over the candles. You can do over the cloud also, but we're going to do over the candles for the example here. Yes, it is. Excellent. Lastly, is the price over the cloud for the 4th check mark? Yes, it is. We have a go signal on the Ichimoku cloud here, and the Ichimoku cloud is the most lagging indicator that we have. If we have a go signal on the most lagging indicator that we have, should we be scared? I don't immediately get fear out of this. I get some pause, a bit of caution here. Okay, hold up. Let's think about this. But looks pretty good to me. Okay, total bounced off the 100 MA, heading for the 200 MA. Interestingly enough, that's exactly what I was about to bring up, our EMAs and our moving averages, so we can look at the total market cap with those indicators on. And that's this. 50, 100, 200. Now, looking closely here, we had an 821 break right here. Excellent. 2 candles over for a buy. That buy also hopped over at the same time the 50-day moving average. That's this yellow line right here, okay? It also broke that yellow line. Very cool. Beyond that, broke the trend line. Very cool. Starting to develop some positive confluence here, aren't we? Yes, we are. From there, what did we do? We moved up a little bit more and we slapped the 100-day moving average. Nice. Now that we slapped the 100-day moving average, it got rejected. What's going to happen next? Well, you just saw that the cloud had just broke. We very well could get a little sideways here and let these moving averages and exponential moving averages catch up. Way up here is the 200-day moving average. Whew, holy shit, that's a long way up, isn't it? Yes, it is. Are we going to get up there? Maybe in time, but right now we're stuck under the 100-day moving average. However, we do have good buy signals nearly across the board. Our MACD is crossed bullish. Interesting. Very good. We haven't seen that happen on anything in a while, have we? RSI trending upward over the 50 line, divergence broken. Very nice. You catching on here, folks? Slowly here, I'm starting to move out of stable coins. Okay? Slowly, I'm starting to move out of stable coins. I still have a shit ton of stable coins. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'll probably keep a lot of those stable coins in. Why? Well, what I've thought about is, what are stable coins paying me? They're paying me pretty well. The thought process here is, so if people go jumping out of stable coins and putting money back into the market, the APY that people are getting paid right now is going down a little by little because people are putting more and more money in. Okay, a lot of these protocols base their being able to peg their stable coins with good staking on people borrowing or people buying and selling. Well, people are going to start buying and selling and borrowing more, and if that's the case, then great. Our APY may go back up on these stable coins. Plus, I kept a certain amount out just for trading, and I kept that trading amount sitting in an exchange ready to use whenever I felt the need to. And now here we go. We're starting to see some of these charts flip back over, give us some buy signals, and I'm ready with it. Okay, I've already got some stables moved over into some assets, and I got some other stables ready to rock. However, I saved some of them. I kept some of them out on purpose just so I could continue making a free percentage on stable coins. I like that. I'm going to keep doing that as such. Yeah, Mullet says, yeah, got a couple and a pulled investment plus profits out in less than a month. Excellent, Mullet. I'm currently invested in Zeal and CRV. That's the only thing I have money in right now other than node projects that I can't take money out of and I won't take money out of because it's locked up, or I'm making money on it and I want to leave it. Let's pull a fib on this because I want to see the overall here and see how bad things looked on a more grand time scale, because maybe we're missing some stuff, right? And I don't want to miss anything. I want to be as accurate as we can. I see that we may be reversing, and if we're reversing back up, let's get a Fibonacci retracement on this and see what points we're going to start to see fail or not fail. I'll say this, we had a big drop here, and that big drop was slow and steady. That took a lot of juice out of things, and people got pretty sour pretty quick. So I think people are going to get back emotional here, and emotions start flowing. We start to see take profit times come in. Okay, so we've broken the 236. We haven't even gotten to the 382 yet, but our pivot's up here with it. Might as well. Over the pivot, this is good. As soon as we broke the pivot, as a matter of fact, we broke this trend line right here. Awesome. That's very good. Oh, sorry, face is itching. Parker, I don't know if I can continue. I don't know if I can give out a whole bunch more wrenches, honestly. I don't know if it'll work. It says at some point, yeah, that one worked. Here, I'll give it right here. I can only have so many, right? Once I get so many, it doesn't work anymore. It keeps kicking on and off. Like it'll tell me that my limit's been reached or whatever. Whatever. Anyway, we broke the pivot and the trend line at the same time. That's excellent. That tells us we've flipped into a more bullish scenario. Add that up with all of our other indicators like our MACD, RSI, EMAs, moving averages, and now our Fibonacci retracement. We start to see where price action may or may not go. Now, a second ago, you saw that we hit the 100-day moving average and we bounced down. Remember where our 200-day moving average was? Really, really high up in the air? Aha. So our 200-day moving average is right near our 50 Fibonacci line at 2.1 trillion, okay? Or right around 2 trillion. A nice, clean number, right around 2 trillion. Oh, that's where R1 is. R1 is 2.02 trillion. So I fully expect we test this line again, $2 trillion. In order for this to be an uptrend on a large scale magnitude, we need to break 2.1 trillion, which is up here where this 200-day moving average is. And as you see, that's a long way away. Let's see if I got one more. Yes, sir, Rug. There you go. It's like it maybe gives me more as we get more subscribers. I'm not sure. The wrenches for long-time followers, LMN 8R. The longer you're here, it kind of helps me see who's been here longest. And if you've been here longest, then I know I don't need to so much worry about you being a problem or not being a problem because we have haters. And I'm more intend to look at those names than I am others. Okay? That's part of the reason we do it. When everyone is special, no one is special. Thank you, Mullet. Thank you, brother. Wise words from Win Mullet right there. He's a very smart guy. When he talks, listen. Same thing with China Matt. When those two guys talk, just shut up and listen. So I expect around $2 trillion to get hit again. 2.1 trillion being the uptrend barrier. Until that breaks, we're going to be sideways or down, in my opinion. That's okay. It's not the end of the world, but we're also not moon soon. Okay. So be smart about your money here. Let's go and look at some other dominance charts and see if we can get a feel for the rest of the market. Okay. Let me grab a drink real quick. I got my adult juice boxes out. This is watermelon. It's not so great. But how about this? It was on sale. These were on sale for 89 cents a piece, where they're typically like $1.30 or something. The watermelon was on sale. I was pretty tickled about that. Excellent. Got a little extra rum in there. Let tits. So, Ronan Khan said, I am a problem. Old boy Davey, what's up, brother? Ludio WG says, I'm hurt too. No, let me see if I got one in here. Bam, it's letting me do it, so that's cool. All right, so I want to move on to the next one, which is Total 2, which is the same market cap minus Bitcoin. Everything but Bitcoin, okay? Because a lot of people like to say, oh, everything's following Bitcoin. But what if we take Bitcoin out of the equation completely? Well, we see something very similar here. Same trend break, same pivot jump. Very nice. Our indicators, incredibly the same without Bitcoin. So not everything follows Bitcoin, does it? Okay. RSI pointing up. Very good. Seeing what I need to see there. Now, we haven't hit the 100-day moving average on this one, and we haven't hit the 200, which are up around R1 and R2. Okay. Cool enough. Slowly, we're developing a little bit of an uptrend here. I don't think this is going to be a quick move. Why do I say that? Because it was a very, very aggressive move up before, and then another very aggressive move down. So I tend to think things are going to start to idle out a little bit. Okay. Now the 382 fib is right at the blue 100-day moving average. I expect this zone to get hit right around 1.1 trillion. If we can break this zone, once our exponential moving averages and our daily moving averages start to curl back up and pinch, okay, we'll see a bit of a pinch point right here, which may push us up here toward R1 at 1.17 trillion or 1.2 trillion, which would be our trend line identifier here. This will tell us whether we're breaking our downtrend fully, and then we're going to hit our upper levels, or if we're going to break downward again, bounce this 50 and fail back downward, which would in turn fail our moving averages again. I don't want to see that. I want to see our moving averages bunch up and get tight here. Okay. What am I mentioning by that? I want to see all of the moving averages ball up. Why? Well, we've seen this pattern before. When all these moving averages start getting close, hold on, let me get the, we have an indicator from China Map. That is an MA extensions. Check this out. There we go. MA extensions give us a predetermined idea of where these moving averages are going to move to. Okay. Right now it says that they're going to cross way down here in April 22nd. Okay. So we would like to be over that price and bouncing on top of that then. But as you see, it's kind of trailing and showing us that they're getting closer together instead of farther apart, which is cool. As they get closer together and they bunch up, we'll start to see price action get more and more volatile. We want to be above the moving averages for that. And once we get above the moving averages for that, we could see an excellent move up. Okay. We could see an excellent move up after all this happens. However, it could be quite a long time. And we're talking June or July or August way over here before all these moving averages would line out the way we want them to. Okay. It could take a while. Again, I don't want to see everyone get upset and say, oh, you didn't know. Well, I'm telling you now that this thing could take longer than you think. Right? I don't want you to expect this magical move up because I don't believe that's going to happen. I believe this will be a slow grind. I believe this will be a small move followed by a smaller move down, a smaller move up, a smaller move down, little by little, inching its way along through the price action until we get to where we need to see. Now, hasn't done that yet. We're at stage 2, 500 more steps to go. Okay. Let's be smart here and not make dumb decisions. Let's make educated, smart decisions one at a time. All right. Now, time for total 3. Total 3 is everything minus Bitcoin and minus Ethereum. Everything else. Okay. Cool. What do we see here? Very similar situation. We're stuck in this little range right here. Same situation where our moving averages are pinching together. You see the 821 EMA all turn up. You see that we broke this trend line, which just happens to be yellow right here. Let's switch that to white. There you go. Broke the trend line, broke the 50 and the 8 and 21 all together. We're moving up toward the 100. As you see, that 100-day moving average is right near 382. Okay, I've already got a Fibonacci retracement pulled on this one. I'm going to redo this one here because it's the wrong direction. Start from the top, work our way down to the bottom, and we're looking for a retracement here. We're over 236. We haven't hit 382 yet. The 100-day moving average is right there at it. Marker, 751 billion. And we're at 716 now. So I bet you solid money that we will move up to 751 billion. There you go. This is not guessing. This is technical analysis, one-on-one. We got it rocking. Parker said, I got the mouth mullet going on. Bro, that's what's up. Let's go. Look at that. Get closer to the camera for you. Got to adjust the color settings. Yeah, bear with me on the color settings. I literally just got this camera going like 2 hours before the stream started, okay? I got to adjust the color settings. It's got this filter on it now. I'll tinker with it a bit, get it better, okay? So that's total 3. Again, 751 billion first target. Next target will be 813 billion. That's our same 50 fib marker where we'll see either we bounce downward, continue down and sideways, or we break over that and make a move upward. But until we get there, no guessing, one move at a time. All right. That's facial ghillie suit, you civilians. Thank you, mullet. I don't understand the transitional education I learned from them. I learned in them streets. Oh my God, the resolution, my eyes. You're stupid, dude. Oh hell. Ah yes, rough, just the way your mother likes it. Just the way your mother likes it, Trebek. That's pretty good. What's up, Thurman? We ain't seen you in a minute. I thought you were dead, bro. Hey. Where's Thurman? Ha! Good to see you, brother. On to total DeFi. Okay. Total DeFi dominance, and then we have total DeFi market cap. So total DeFi market cap, let's pull a fib on this one. Similar situation. Interestingly enough, it looks like we're over the 50 fib if we pull it from here, but if I start from the top point up here, we're right at it. Right at the 200-day moving average, just breaking, it all looks really messy in there, doesn't it? Just breaking the 100-day, testing the 200-day, and right underneath the 141 billion marker, okay? We could see a move here where everything pinches through this 200-day moving average and we break above it and move higher. Total DeFi, everybody, watch out. This is all of them, okay? All of them, including strong, including those shitters that no one likes to talk about. All of them. So, predictively speaking, the 50 is going to cross the 200 over here somewhere around in April. Interesting. That's cool. 200-day moving average is still pointing up. We also could fail this. If we fail this, we're going to come back down here and bounce around these crossings. Okay? There's my prediction for DeFi market cap. Not that I'm guaranteed that's going to happen, but there's a good possibility. Can you look at it? Elephant on BSC? Sounds scamish to me. No need to ask, Rug. Smooth operator. That's right. He's got FUDs in his beard. Let's go. I don't got any FUD in there, bro. Get off my nuts. Ain't no FUD in there. Others dominance. Ugh. As you see, we're bouncing off the 200-day moving average here. That's not terrible, but we need to get moving very rapidly, okay? I'd like to see money move into other coins as well. Come out of stables, come out of Bitcoin and Ethereum and move into the other markets, all of which can make us more money too. One step at a time, though, shall we? Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Let's try to play this smart. Let's not overdo it. Let's not get dumb, all right? 85 people watching, 63 likes. We got 6 more minutes. Let's keep it rolling, okay? Everybody go hit like real quick. Why not? It's free. Likes are free. We need a little bit more likes. We need a little bit more viewers to hit 100. We'll probably won't hit 100. We don't always do that on Tuesdays. But Thursdays we typically do because we do an hour. We only do 30 minutes on Tuesdays. Andrew says that chin pelt has me moist. 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 That's pretty good. Thank you. Can you do Atom? Yeah, we'll look at that. Can you look at Pocket Network and Stackos? We'll probably do those tomorrow on the European stream during the daytime because I have multiple people asking me about that. Dr. Chain says, I got you, Keith. Thank you, brother. Any chance you could check DOT? Yes, we'll probably do that tomorrow. I don't think I have time for it tonight. DAG we'll probably do tomorrow as well. I've got all those written down. It's a high-res simp stream. What's up, Mr. Dick? That's pretty good. Buckle up, he said. Stupid dude. Real quick, I want to show stablecoin dominance because they continue to break and fall downward. Excellent. As you see, this was up against the trend line the other day on the stream. Now we've fallen down well below the trend line, under that 1272 line, and seem to be pulling back now. Now, what kind of pullback targets could we get here? Let's pull a fib on them and see. Okay, I want to know myself because I haven't even done this yet. It's all live. Not really sure about this area, so we'll do this one. Up to the top. All right, it looks like 2.7% in USDC could get hit here really rapidly and bounce off this 100-day moving average. Okay, might be a bit of a pinch here and fall, and it looks like we could come all the way down here to 2.2% in USDC, and that's a pretty large fall. That's a pretty good amount of market cap dominance being fallen out of stablecoins. USD Tether, similar situation where we've failed this rising wedge here, and we've already hit the 100-day moving average, what I think USDC will do, okay? And then we should see a pinch and we'll fall more, or we're going to break back north and test this trend line some more. I doubt it. I'm assuming this stuff's going to continue to fall down. UST, which is Luna, UST Luna pegged to it or whatever, that's their stable coin that we earn percentage on. Similar situation, only we haven't dropped near as far quite yet. Again, there's more percentage to be made on this. People aren't so quick to jump back out of this and get back into something else, okay? People are more likely to stay in this because it pays a little bit better percent, which is what I was literally just talking about. Pays a little bit better, and because of that, we're likely to stay in. Look for charts like Ethereum Classic. that are wicking up to the moving averages. Thank you very much, Mullet. Add these moving averages to every chart, and you'll see slowly that these moving averages are going to start getting hit, okay? Little by one, little by little, okay? Mina is pumping hard. What's your target, please? Probably I'll do that one tomorrow as well. Try to write all these down so I can come back through and get through every single one of them. But I don't think anything's pumping, okay? I think things are just moving up. GameStop was up 100% today. Oh, God, the internet's on fire again about that. You're going to have a retrace, everybody. You better buckle up for that retrace. There's been multiple other charts as far as stocks and equities that have went up pretty sharply as well, not just GameStop. Some other ones as well, like Canberra Energy Group and other energy companies similar to it, little by little. Missed the whole damn stream, Nate said, no worries, brother. Fonzie said, let's get rich. Rage and Beagle said, Fonzie's here, right? All right, let me get a drink real quick, and we'll go a couple more. Best looking charts. Excuse me. XRP is still one of the better looking charts. Why do I say that? Well, as you see here, not only has it broken moving averages, but I got 4 green check marks there. And the reason I have 4 green check marks here is she's all go. She's all go on the cloud. One of few with 4 green check marks. Lag line over, base over conversion, price over green cloud. Excellent. For the first time in a very long time, XRP is actually doing something when nothing else is. This is great. I want to see everyone make money off this. I will look into it, Samuel. I'm not trying to be a hater or anything like that. I'm sorry. 100 is the $2.74 Mullah said about Nova, about Mina. All right. Not only is the cloud looking good on this, but I had the moving averages pulled up there a second ago for XRP. Right. As you see, you've gone over all these. You're getting a 5,100 cross right here. I'm getting a little bit of a pullback. I expect this to hold, and I expect this to move up here, this 200-day moving average, and bump it. Okay, and that's a good sign. I've got a target box set up right here. Just so happens to be around 886 on the Fibonacci retracement lines, and there's a pivot line right here as well. I'm expecting this zone to get hit. I have a lot of confluence pointing toward this first green box. So if I'm in this, I'm likely taking some profits somewhere right in here. Thank you, Cheyenne. Does close-ups, subs. You're stupid too. That's pretty good. Why am I Sato? Good to see you. Where do you stake your stables? I have stables on Voyager. I have stables on Nexo, and I have stables on Terra Luna for UST. I have stables in 3 different places. All of them pay me pretty well. Can't complain about them. So, thank you, China Matt. He says Mina's top cloud is also 274. This is the beauty of what we do, everyone. This is a hive mind. It's not just me. We have an entire team doing this together. It's not just me. It's lots of people all together. And all those people put together help come up with some of these great looking charts like you see. It's not just me. I use this information that they have and I bounce them off of everyone else. We all work together in this aspect. No one person does it alone. Okay. And because of that, we're able to make better decisions than most people. And we're able to be in front of most people and make our profits before everyone else. Not everybody, but before the majority. Because of that, I'm urging you all to come in, do your thing, hit the website. If you've never been on the website before, here it is, everybody. 786unlimited.com. We have a Discord group. It's free for the general chat. We have a Patreon group if you want to unlock the Discord all the way. And if you want a one-on-one class, there it is, okay? One-on-one consult for you. I have times available in May, I believe. April's booked. I have 1 date available in May. 1 date. I have 2 times for that date. Okay. And then in June, I have many dates open. Okay. So that's on you to pick a date if you'd like. If not, no worries. I don't mind. I'm not going to get upset. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate the hell of y'all. We'll be back tomorrow again. All right. 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesdays for our European stream. We'll discuss a ton of charts then. And we'll discuss a ton of charts on Thursday as well. Thank you all for showing up. I'll leave you with this. In the words of the late, great, notorious B.I.G., you could have been anywhere in the world, but you come and hung out with me tonight at 11 o'clock till 11:30 p.m. And I appreciate the hell out of that. You guys are awesome. Every single one of you. Thank you very much. See y'all on the next stream. Y'all be good. Peace.